To celebrate the glorious completions of 75 years of India's independence from the colonial regime, BJP Chinthong Mondol Committee organized a rally on the occasions of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav under the theme of Bharat Pheri on Friday. On 13th of August, BJP Chinthong Mondol Committee organized a rally headed by Samsong Rongphar, President BJP Chinthong Mondol Committee. The rally was initiated at around 7 a.m. from Harlong Langdo to Rongjangpong with a national flag in every participant's hands during the rally covering a distance of 3 kilometers. All the presidents and secretaries of 23rd polling station under Chinthong constituency, members of Chinthong Mondol Committee, BJYM, women wings of BJP and many party workers took part on this celebration. It was reported that the celebration of Bharat Pheri on the occasion of 75th Independence Day was organized successfully as per the direction of BJP Central State District Committee, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Avijit Pro, MEC Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and Radib Ronghang, President BJP West Karbi Anglong.
Council CM Sir Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alangli a direction of the penny to catch hone local MSC Sir Avijit Pro alang tunak pen kharatan ben pini labangso ada perang labangso dera lama pacetonun pensi tun BJP Chinthong Mondol Committee penstame Bharat Pheri puisia netum program denpono kasi pini labangso netum kadowe Chinthong Mondol Committee long claim bang pu pencenglok nili medhan jongjung me pu pencenglok akadu ga but committee ame pu akongchun bang lapen muhila morcha yuwa morcha akapre morcha tum chirum me sipini labangso netum kilometer ke thombak aisa pini labangso Bharat Pheri netum program denpono.
Hemari Rongphar's report from Chinthong for Karbi Anglong Live.